Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you change address on Shein. So let's get into the video. So open up Shein and log into your account. So I'm just logged into my account here. So that's done. So I've logged in. So now if you want to change address on Shein, there is two ways how you can do this. You can either change it while you check out with an order, or you can do it on your settings. So for example, if you're checking, you can do it for firstly when you can change your address when you check out. So for example, let me purchase something. I'll just purchase this item here, add it to my cart. So I'm going to proceed with the checkout, and then I'll show you how you can change the address from there. So I'm going to use that and I'll proceed with checkout here. So when I get to checkout here, you will see that on my first tab here, that's my address here that's selected by default. So if I want to change that, I will just have to simply click on it, and then you will see here the list of my address here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just hit on add a shipping address, and then I'm going to add the new address that I wanted to get shipped. So I just have to add that and then hit on save, and that's it. So that's one way how you can change it. Or else what you can also do is you can if you get to your tab here, click on me tab here, and then once you hit on the me tab here, you'll have an option here called settings. So click on settings, and under settings on your top right, you'll see an address book option here. Here you'll see all your addresses. So what you have to do if you want to change an address, simply hit on the address and edit it. Okay, so you can just edit this address here. Or else what you can do, you can simply hit on add a shipping address and then add your new address here and then hit on save. So that's pretty much it. So hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.